Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for name change in your PAN card online. First, navigate to the official NSDL or UDITSL website, which are the authorized portals for PAN services. Once there, locate and select the specific option for Change/Correction in PAN data. This will lead you to the application form where you'll accurately enter your updated name and other required personal information. Ensure all details match your supporting documents to avoid any processing delays. Next, you'll need to prepare your supporting documents. These typically include proof of identity, proof of address, and a document specifically validating your name change, such as a marriage certificate, Gazette notification, or a passport with the new name. Make sure these documents are clear and valid. You will then upload scanned copies of these documents directly to the online portal, ensuring they meet the specified file size and format requirements. After uploading your documents, proceed to the payment section. The application fee for a PAN card name change is usually around Rupee 107 for Indian communication addresses and a higher amount for foreign addresses. You can conveniently pay this fee using various online methods, including credit cards, debit cards, or net banking. Once the payment is successful, review all your entered details one final time before electronically submitting your application. Upon successful submission, you will receive an acknowledgement number. This number is crucial, so make sure to save it. You can use this unique number to track the real-time status of your PAN card name change application directly on the NSDL or UDITSL website. Keep an eye on its progress until your updated PAN card is dispatched. Also, for amazing deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, remember to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.